All right, today we're going to bring some outdoor lighting, and this is the solar panel LED light, motion detecting or day to night mode. All right, they give the instructions, screws in any kind of wood if you have, or a concrete too. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the double-sided tape that it's also included, the adhesive. Just make sure you take off this little plastic too, because it's preventing it from getting the full charge. So just make sure you remove that. Oh, I love that. So once you remove that, you're ready to turn them on, right? So right now, they're going to continue getting the solar. Make sure that you have a sun wherever you're going to set this up, because if you put it behind the door and there's no sun, then this is not going to charge. So just be aware of that. So right now, we're going to set it up in one place that gets really dark when I'm walking there. And it's my side entrance. And I have a door that I can't even see at all. So we're going to put one on one side and one on the other side. So let's go ahead and do that first. Let's go ahead and set this up. All right, just set it up in this place, my dark area. And I'm going to show you at night how dark it looks and how it turns on. So just make sure you turn it on, hold the button down, and it's going to flash maybe or something, right? So right now it's not going to work, but at night it should. So put right here. Not sure how dark it gets.